With the rapid development of drone technology, conventional battery-powered drones have problems such as short flight time and frequent battery replacement, which limits their application effect and efficiency in specific scenarios. The tethered drone power supply system is a system that provides continuous energy for drones from the ground, which enables drones to achieve long-term hovering flight. Tethered drones are widely used, including high-altitude cleaning, high-rise firefighting, emergency rescue, emergency lighting, public safety, etc. These application scenarios require drones to be able to hover in a fixed position for a long time to complete specific tasks. Ground-stabilized power supply, it ensures the stability and continuity of power supply. Intelligent automatic retractable winch, it can adaptively follow the drone to rise and fall in high altitude and high wind speed environments, and automatically retract and release cables synchronously. Tethered photoelectric cable, the cable has built-in optical fiber for data transmission, realizing real-time communication between drones and ground stations. Airborne power supply, it can convert high-voltage DC power into the voltage and current required by the drone, and connect it in parallel with the backup battery to ensure that the drone has a stable power supply. The power and line length of the tethered machine can be customized according to the model, and the line length can reach 120 meters.